All right, scholars, we're back. I'm going to do this one more problem to prepare you for this test. Let me share this. Let's make sure it works. Sharing is caring, right? All right. So we have this one problem, and I'm just going to copy and paste this question onto another page so we can see the fullness of it. Okay. So now we're going to work this out. So I've been typing in, but it's going to probably make sense for me to write this time looking at this fraction here. So we have h of x is h of x equals 1/2 x minus 8. All right. So really they're asking us to do two different problems. They want to know what h of 10 is, and then they also want to know what h of negative 18 is. So I'm going to do them one at a time here. Let's do one at a time. So going h of 10, we're going to replace this x with 10. So that's going to be h of 10 equals, bring down this 1/2. And then again, we said x is 10. And since 1/2 is a fraction, I'm going to make 10 a fraction as well by putting a 1 under it. So we have 10 divided by 1, which is still 10. So that's why I'm able to do that, minus 8. So I have my 1/2 there. My x became 10. We put 10 over 1 because we're dealing with a fraction here in the 1/2. And then I brought down my minus sign. Then I brought down my 8. Okay, so far so good. So I'm going to put these lines here just to divide that or the section off so it'll make sense so we can have some organization here. And again, we're not trying to get h by itself. We wanted h of 10 because that's what they asked us for. So we have to keep h of 10 over here because that's what we're looking for. Do not try to divide by 10 to get rid of this 10, okay? Because we're looking for h of 10. That's what we're looking for. All right, so we already have that, so we'll leave it there. All you're going to do is this side over here, okay? So now 1/2 times 10, or 1 times 10 is going to give us 10. So we have 10 there. And then the 2 times 1 is 2, which that's going to give us 5 eventually. We're going to bring down our minus sign. We're going to bring down our 8, right? And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. We said earlier, let's say eventually it's going to be 5. Bring down your minus sign, bring down your 8. It's a super huge minus sign, right? Not necessary. So we have h of 10 is equal to 5 minus 8. We said when you have a minus sign, change that to add the opposite. And minus always means the opposite of, right? So now we have h of 10, which is what we're looking for. You notice we kept h of 10 the whole time, and we didn't try to divide by 10, okay? Equals 5 plus negative 8 is going to give us negative 3. So h of 10 equals negative 3. All right, so let's do this. Separate that, and let's do this h of negative 18. So writing this again. Let's see if I can. Let's do this. All right, get rid of this line here. All right. Let's see if we can copy this little piece right. Nope. It's not going to work. All right. All right. So now we're going to do h of x equals 1/2 x minus 8. I'll write that h of x equals 1/2 x minus 8. And then this time we're dealing with the h of negative 18. So I'm replacing the x with negative 18. So h of negative 18 equals 1/2. And x we said was negative 18. Bring down that minus sign. Bring down that 8. Now let's go. I'm going to put this just to organize things, putting these lines here just to organize. So you'll see what's on this side and see what's on this side. All right. We're almost there, y'all. Hanging there, hanging there. All right. So again, we're not trying to get rid of the negative 18, because we want h of negative 18, because that's what they asked us for. So h of negative 18 equals, and then we have 1/2. Since this is a fraction, we're going to make the negative 18 a fraction. So times negative 18 over 1. If you put a 1 under a whole number, you make it a fraction, and it still equals the same thing. So negative 18 divided by 1 is still negative 18. Bring down this minus sign. Then bring down the 8. Bring down the 8. All right, we're almost done. H of negative 18 equals, so 1 times negative 18 is going to be negative 18. And 2 times 1 is going to give us 2. And we bring down our minus sign. Bring down, let me go back here. So we bring down that minus sign, then we bring down this 8, right? All right, so let's keep going. H of negative 18 equals, negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9, minus 8. Almost there. All right, we said when you see a minus sign, change that to add the opposite. All right, and now we have h of negative 18, last step. H of negative 18 equals, negative 9 plus negative 8 is negative 17. Wow, there we go. There we go. H of negative 18 is equal to negative 17. And it's a wrap. That's a done deal. Thank you very much, y'all. Way to work. Study hard. You'll do well on this test. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah.